Hello guys! This is it! Meron na din akong 17 Pro Max 1 terabyte. Kita ba? Ito oh. Ito po, 1 terabyte. Hindi siya kita. So ngayon, i-open natin. Okay, unboxing! Yes! Love, thank you. Thank you so much. So ating i-open na. Ito po, hindi hugasin. Totoo po ako may 17 Pro Max. Buksan natin. Oh, ito po, papakita ko sa inyo, unboxing. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes! And 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, open natin. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Oh my goodness! See? Ano lang siya? Ito lang po yung kasama niya. See? Wow! This is it! Wow! Love, so pretty! Right? Kasama ko si Bill. Wow! Oh no! Open natin siya. See, bago po siya. Brand new! Yes! Dati, ito po yung aking phone dati. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung phone ko dati. Ito po. 12 Pro Max lang to. Pero bago pa siya, oh, tingnan mo, bago pa din to. I mean, ano na siya? 4 years ata sa akin. Tapos ito yung aking bagong iPhone! See? Hello, hello! Oh, hula. Hello, hello! Wow!
Do you want to get the SIM card out?
Yeah.
I'll pass me first.
English. Love, you help me to set up. Australia. Okay, love. You help me now. Sit down properly. Love, sit down properly. I want you to show on the camera. Because I'm so happy I have new 17 Pro Max. Thank you so much. Then, you do it. Because my hand is sweaty.
Where you put the SIM card?
You're not iPhone user.
This one as well.
Here. Wait, you can go first. This one first.
You're going to do default or large?
Default.
I don't know.
Oh, so pretty. Yay! 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 Okay, set up muna namin. Balikan namin kayo. Bye!